Mate, watch it going, idiot. Hi folks, how's everyone doing today? We are looking for the Fairlie Moor Road to get a look at these spectacular views that Lockwood found. And according to Google, we are going the right way. It's windy down here, so God knows what it's going to be like up the top, and it really does look as if it's going to rain. Just in time for me getting up there. I bought something this week that's actually fantastic. Did I see a car there? Thought I did. A tractor maybe? Ah, I just seen the orange flash. Mate, watch it going, idiot. I bought, what's it called, Muck Off Premium Anti-Mist Formula for my glasses. Stop my glasses steaming up, and it's actually fantastic, it works great. It's supposed to last for 5 days, but I think they're talking about visors there, whereas you can't really go 5 days without cleaning your glasses, can you? As soon as I get up here, it's going to rain. I bet you. Saying that, it might miss me. I believe they launch rockets up here sometimes. Not rockets as in NASA. But miniature versions. Aye, so if you're a glasses wearer, I would thoroughly recommend the Muck Off Anti-Fog. It's really good. Jesus. And there's the view. Look at that. Don't know if the GoPro makes it look far away. There's a rainbow there as well. Tell you what though, it's a narrow wee road. Hopefully I don't meet a car here. I think we'll stop here and get a wee photograph if we can. Right, let's get the bike started back up and I'll be back. Right, it's definitely windy. That is a spectacular view. Don't know if you can see it very well in the GoPro. Make our way back downhill. I think I'm going to get caught in that rain. Jesus. Not the best cattle grids in the world. So that's the Fairlie Moor road. Hides out where it looks at it as well. Don't know if you can see it in the GoPro, but this is a pretty steep bit of road. So that's another road done that I wanted to do. Don't know where it will be next. Wow, this looks mega slippy. Had to be done.